part bloody 2. There's a new switch, but that fits onto there fine. That'll screw on nicely. However, not always good, because this fucking thing, I can't get that off, and this bit, it's a different size to this bit. See, because this bit's supposed to come off. And that's supposed to go in there instead of that. That's wider. The pipe inside is the same. But I can't get this bit off. Could probably have to bear it off, so I might have to cut the pipe, get that off, put this on to fix all this. Oh, it's never easy that this frickin' thing there, so get this off next.